Hello, I just released my first single called Turn Off the Lights, and I'm extremely happy and very proud of myself. There is only one thing that I really regret, and that is that I didn't do it earlier. So, why didn't I do it earlier? I think it was because I was afraid of not being good enough. I was afraid of how I was gonna be judged. Maybe somebody would like what I was doing. I was afraid of what kind of expectations there were for me. I was afraid of not being able to finish. I was afraid of not being able to do it at all. I didn't know how it was supposed to turn out, and basically I still don't, but I think that's great. And I was thinking that I was probably too old to start something new. So basically I was acting on my fears instead of just doing what I wanted. And no, I don't want to base my life on fears. I want to do what I want to do, and this is what I'm doing now. So, what I have learned. Making music is about learning and experiencing. So repeating what you have always done will never get you far. You are never too old to start expressing yourself. Basically, you will never get too old. It's not about getting success, but it's about doing something that makes you happy. For me, I'm so proud of myself because I'm this far with everything I'm doing, and if somebody likes what I'm doing, I'm extremely happy, but basically I'm very happy without anything because what I do gives me joy, and this is why I do everything that I do. It makes me happy to every day do something that challenges me and makes me see the world in a new way. There are no right and wrong answers. There is only what you like and what you dislike. But it can be a journey to figure out what you like and dislike, but the best tips to learning is by doing. So basically sit down, do something, and if you don't like it, then continue working until you like it. Learning what you like and dislike is a basic skill which you can use in every situation in your life. And I think it's a very important skill to have, to know what you like and what you dislike. If you don't know, how can you then do what you like doing? It's only music, and if you fuck up, then you just start over, and now with even more experience. Think of what the worst situation can be. You make some shitty music and your friends doesn't like it and then don't want to be friends with you anymore. I don't think friendships works like that, and I don't think anybody doesn't want to be friends with you because you don't make the most awesome music. But if they really don't like you because you make music that they don't like, maybe they are not really your friends. And if you start thinking like this, I don't think that you're gonna get into a situation where it's like actually dangerous to make music. It can be nice to have a vision, an idea, because this is what inspires you to get started. But once you're started, I think it's very important that you put away your vision, your idea, and simply make space for inspiration. Music is about letting go of control. So my best tip for letting go of control is to do something you haven't done before. Very basic. I don't have to do anything perfect in the first attempt or the 10th attempt. The most important thing is that I try and that I challenge myself a bit every day. Imagine if you had the same tendency to only do what feels safe and right when you were a kid. Then you basically wouldn't be able to walk, talk, bike, do anything. We become even more amazing human beings when we start challenging ourselves with learning new skills. It makes us see everything in a new and more colorful light. So if you have ever had the slightest inspiration, need, idea or wants to do an album, write a book, paint a picture, start singing, make sculptures or whatever, then go ahead and just do it. Do a bit every day and see where it gets you. You will learn all of the appropriate skills to be able to do what you want. And I'm sure that this will make you more happy because I think it's in our nature to learn. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and you can even go to Spotify and follow Johan Granberg. It would make me so happy. Start now instead of waiting until tomorrow. Just do 5 minutes. 5 minutes writing, 5 minutes drawing, 5 minutes anything. Start 5 minutes now and do 5 minutes more tomorrow. Enjoy.